Hi, now we will see how this CRM screen looks like, specifically the one with web interface. So, this is section 2 of chapter 1. The name of the chapter is CRM Module and CRM Data Structure, and we are in the Certified Sangam CRM User course. Let's understand the agenda, what all we are going to learn. The CRM web interface is a very rich interface. There is a lot is flexible, and you can do a lot with it. The better you understand this, your job will be easier. Don't skip this video saying, yeah, I know all this, I can understand just by looking at the screen. You will sure see and understand, but there will be lots of shortcuts. There will be lots of tricks. I want you to understand these tricks and then move ahead. So, first, we will see the login screen and web user interface. We will also see what is profile settings and what all is covered in that. List view and bulk actions also will be discussed. Then there will be record view, means when you want to create, edit, or just view it, you will see what options are there. And the most important part, if you need any help from the CRM, how will you get the help? Chalo, let's start. First, let us see how the login screen and web user interface looks like. You will get a bit of look and feel of CRM. Let's see the demo. So this is your login screen. Put your username and password and login. So this is the original screen that it will show when you log in. Let's take a round and see what all is available here. As you move your cursor here on the top left corner, I can see the records recently viewed by me. Remember, do not click here, just take your mouse here. Then there is a global search. The idea of global search is that when you put any field in the entire CRM or any part of any field, or it can be someone's number or any name or a part of someone's address or a part of someone's name, whatever you put in, you will get it. Just remember one thing, when you search here, the entire CRM is searched. It may take a bit of time. If you want to quick search and you know where to look for, then search it in the module. You will get it faster. Let's move to the right side. This is the duplicate finder. What is duplicate finder? You feed in a lot of data in the CRM. Maybe some junk is accumulated. What is the process to remove this junk? So the first step is to search the duplicate. I can confidently claim that Sangam CRM has the world's best deduplication tool. There are a lot of things. We will see them all in detail after we reach this chapter. Then you can see a video icon here, like YouTube. When you click here, you can see all the training videos here. These are the videos other than courses. The courses do have videos, but these videos are other than the courses. Here you can see the latest videos. It will also show you the videos that are relevant to the screen on which you are. Now, here is the icon for selecting language. Now, my CRM instance has only one language enabled. So I can see only one language. Many people have two languages. So they can see English, and in the same CRM, some users use Arabic or Spanish language. So they see two languages to select from. Now, here are the notifications. You might have done some work, or someone might have assigned or sent you something. So, all those notifications will be displayed here. Now, this is what is called a profile menu. One is this profile settings, where we will go in a short while. Now, here is the NJ support. This is important. Click here. Here, you will get the complete SLA of our products along with its explanation. Secondly, if you want support, how do you go there? Here is the menu. There are many routes to the support. This is one of them. Okay. When you go there, like there are our paid customers, so we add them in a WhatsApp group for the first 3 months so that they can coordinate the things better. If you click here, you will go directly to the group. If you're not in the group already, you will be added. If you're already there, you can go directly and chat from there. Here you can see our support numbers and email ID. And if you want to follow us on Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or LinkedIn, you can click here and follow us. We upload great videos and content on these media, so if you're not following us, you should. So let's move ahead. This is one with general videos. Now, the general videos generally is that if my administrator of my company has uploaded any videos, I can see them here. There are some videos that NJ gives, but these videos are different. The route to publish them is also in here, but these are those videos. Now, this is the demonstration, and we have not published anything, so we cannot see anything here. Now, which videos appear here? Suppose there is a specific process in your company and you have customized the CRM for that. So, you can screen record the video and upload it here. It will be very useful for your users. At the end, it is log out here. No need to explain. This is the application version. This is standard. It will be constant. So this was a glimpse of the UI. We will again go to the UI, but let us see the profile. Go to the profile. To go to the profile, click on the profile that you see in the profile menu. All your details will be displayed here. You can edit them here. You can reset user preference. So, with reset user preference, if you have saved searches or you have changed field settings or if you have personalized anything, then that will go away. Usually, it is not required, but sometimes it may so happen that the user has made a mess of things. So, administrator gives him this option. Now, if you click here, you can delete it. If you are an administrator, only then you can delete this. One cannot delete for self. Let us try editing this and see what is important and what is very important. So, name, first name, last name, username with which I log in. Login ID is the email ID. Always put your own email ID and the one that you can access regularly. At some places, one email ID of admin is given to many users. You know, when you reset the password or click on forget password, the mail is sent to this ID, or someone assigns you something, the notification comes on this ID. So, this email ID, phone, all are important. Then your user type is regular or admin. If you are a regular user, you cannot change it. Only an administrator can change it. Then, what is the designation? That also only the admin can set. What all is there that I can change myself? I can put my birth date. If you haven't put it yet, you should. It's very useful. Your team members will know when to greet you. That can be useful. You can put the anniversary details. You can also put who you report to. In my screen, it is written that report to Liladhar Shastri. It is like he is the owner of our company. Also, I can put comments or history. Roles also, my boss can change or admin can set. I cannot change it. Now, this is very interesting. WhatsApp configuration. In this CRM, I can click here and send a WhatsApp message from a regular Android phone like this one. You can activate its web version and send the message. So, there are two options in Mac, Windows, or Linux. There is a WhatsApp app and also its web version. You can select from where you want to send the message. Now, in my case, the app is installed, so I will select app. In this user info, you need the default team. The administration team will decide it for you, you cannot change it. There is this email setting that you should definitely check. When you want to send emails outside, which SMTP should be used, what is the username and password of that SMTP, that needs to be put here. And this is your signature. This you would certainly like to create. In advance, there will be time zone, etc. This is not required if you're in India and your whole team is in one place. Whatever the admin has set for you, that will be perfect for you. Now, this is the display module. Now, remember, whatever the admin has disallowed, you just cannot see it. You can do what you can do here is out of the fields that the admin has allowed, you can see that these 4 5 are not useful to me. Like these vendors, call complaint, log, payment terms, modules are not useful for me. So I remove them. I don't want to see them. Apart from this, I can put old password and change the password. So if I want to change my password, I can do it here. Now for password, a complex policy can be defined, which your admin will define. That is covered in the admin course. So this was all about managing your profile. Now let us see what is the list view and bulk actions in that. This is the place where you will do most of your work to understand the data and analyze it. Let's start with looking at the list leads module. Let's click here. Now, before we start with the list view, let me tell you that in the left hand column, you can see all your modules. Okay. And this search here is module search. The top search is the global search to search data in the CRM. And this one is module search. That means when I type LE, this has appeared. The module can be chosen. And if I take my mouse here, two options appear, create and import. But if I want to see a list, just click here. When you click on the module name, the display will appear as it is displayed now. And if you press create, a single record will be created. First, let us see what is a list view is. Let's start from the top. Here it is leads module and you are in the list view. If you click the plus sign, a new record will be created. Now, there are many ways to create a new record. You can create it from various screens. Why so many options? We will see later. Now, this is for import, when you have to import data from outside. It will also depend on whether you have the rights to import it or you don't. As I've mentioned earlier, we will see import in detail later on. We have dedicated a complete chapter on import of data. So we will not talk about it here. Just note that you can import from here. You can see the import button only when you have the rights. My user has it, so it is displayed here. Now, this is one of the most powerful features of the list. This is advanced search. And we will again look at the advanced search in detail. I can say here that you can filter based on its content. Now, if I want to search leads which are assigned to a few of the users, I can do that also. And from here, I can select the users. And if I want to search that leads which are assigned to accounts in one particular city, I can do that also, right? So it can be a very complex search and hence we have dedicated a chapter to it. Now you can set the field layout from here. See, here you can have multiple rules and multiple groups. It's quite complex and very powerful. We will see it in detail. Now, many times it can so happen that you have set the search. You can feel that I need this search every month, or every 10 days, or every week, or every day. And there are multiple searches like this, depending on your role. So you can give a name to your search and save it here. So whatever filtration you have selected will be saved. Let's close this. I don't need this. And the last icon, the whole row you can see at the top is called a scorecard. All this is the scorecard. Whether to display the scorecard or not is defined with this button. If I click this, the scorecard is gayab. If I click it again, it appears again. The idea of the scorecard is that the data displayed on the screen is grouped on the top. If I click here, all the drop down fields that you have in the module and for which the scorecard is enabled, all will be displayed here. This is again the admin subject, but you can do it from here. Now the filter is already applied, so it is showing it like this. If I remove the filter, I will see the complete data. And once I enable to see the entire data, the scorecard on the top will look entirely different. You will see that. Total 2199 records are there, out of which I can see the product wise list. Now let us come down. Here you can see this row showing how many records are displayed. Currently 10 records are displayed, 1 of 10. If I click on 25, 25 will be displayed. It depends on how much data you have, how much data you want to see at one go, and how you want to work. Now, on this side, extreme right, there is an option to configure your display here. Either it will be comfortable, like the rows will be widely separated, or it will show compact, or full compact. It will show very close. It depends on your preference, how you want to show it. I didn't really like it comfortable. It shows wide rows. This data here in this row is all headers, names of the fields. Now, as you click on any of them, the field will be sorted accordingly. If you want to see on which field it is sorted on the last field entered. So if I click on lead number, it will be sorted on lead number. If I click on account relationship, it will sort on that. I can also click on any of these links, so it will open that particular record. So let's open this Veer Industries. I have pressed it along with the control button. This has opened in the side tab. Similarly, if I have to change this entry, I will have to click here. But before that, we need to see something else. This else is very important. Suppose I've selected multiple records here. As soon as I select multiple records, the toolbar of bulk action is enabled in the top row. The first one is export. If I click on that, all the records that I have selected will be downloaded to Excel or CSV. Okay. It can be exported only if my admin has given me the right to do so. If not, this will not be done. If I click here, it will be deleted. But I don't want to delete it. Also, I can edit all three here. In edit, all these fields will be seen in mass edit. This is assigned to. What I'll do is I will select all three and assign them to myself. So I can do that and say update. All the three records will be updated, and these get updated in the background. And when they're updated in the background, you will get a notification here that update is complete. Okay. Also, by clicking here, you can select all records. By default, all the records are shown on the screen are selected. By clicking here, you can select all. That means whatever records are there, all will be selected. How do you know that all have been selected? In the top right corner, you will see that 2199 records are selected. I will remove it. Deselect all. It's removed from here. If I click here again, it will select 25 records because only 25 records are displayed here. Now, if I select all and I want to send SMS to them, you can click here and the SMS will be sent to all at once. And how will it be sent? It has the SMS gateway option. It will be sent through that. If I click here, mass email will be sent, right? We will cover mass mail in detail, but here an email will be sent to all in one click. If I click here, a tag will be put. What is a tag? It is a way of loosely categorizing or configuring. It is very powerful. It can do many things. And this last one is very interesting. It is an email verification tool. If you click on this, all these email IDs will be verified by Sangam CRM itself. And it is very accurate. Take it as 99.99% accurate. If it says the email ID is correct, then it will be correct. So you will see here, all the email IDs shown here are shown in different colors. Some are green, some are black, some are orange. Orange means problem, black means not verified. So this was our list view and bulk layout. Now we will see how the record view looks like. When you create or edit or view, how it looks like. Let's see a demo, what happens when you create or edit a record. Let's try this. Let's click this Lala Kumar record and open it. This is called the detailed view, where the complete record is shown. In fact, there is a concept of 360 degrees view. So if you want to understand 360 degree, let's go to the industry. Means let's go to Lala Kumar's company. When you go to the company details will show. When you go further down, we will see all the activities that you have done with the company. If you click here, you will see different things. If you click here, you will see all the details. Then you will see the contacts in the company, like in Veer Industries. Apart from Lala Kumar, we know 4 other people: Abhishek Shah, Rashmi Behra, Bhavna Mishra, etc. If I want to search any of them, I can directly type here to search. I typed RASH, the search is directly here. And this search appears after searching every field of that record. It's very fast and efficient. Come, I will tell you one more trick. Suppose this is Rashmi Behra. I want to send her a WhatsApp message. I can click here, select the template if I want to. There is no template. So I will just write hello and say send. Now what will happen? My WhatsApp will be opened and the WhatsApp message will be sent. This can be a very powerful feature when you're working on a PC. Then leads of this company are displayed. Opportunities are showing. If you click here, this too will open. Very powerful feature. This I like the most is this drawer. You will see everything in detail here itself. You can click here to go down. If you want to go to the leads module, it will take you to the leads module. And with a click here, they will get open too. So this is what all you can do in detailed view. One more thing is worth sharing that this Lala Kumar has two mobile numbers. So I can WhatsApp to this number and I can WhatsApp to this number as well. When you take your mouse there, the second number will automatically show. Same thing will happen with email ID also. Now here there is only one email ID. If there were two, it would have shown two email IDs. Now you will see below here lalakumar@yahoo.com primary is valid. Now this was sample data. This means we had compiled random data. Coincidentally, this is valid. Another thing I can do from detailed view is that I can click here and add comment. Now this comment is a very powerful thing. We will see it in the forthcoming video. For the bosses and owners, it is like a boon. How, I will tell later. Okay, see now. This was about comment. Let's edit it now. Whether you create a record or edit it, the logic is the same. Okay, let me create it and explain it. So we are creating a lead here. Okay, you create any record in any module, the screen will almost look the same. Secondly, what you see is the standard CRM. It's possible that your admin has changed the CRM for you. Some irrelevant things may have been removed and should be removed. Don't keep everything. We have discussed earlier that you need not use everything that is available in the CRM. Use only what you need. Now, there are these direct fields, phone fields, number fields, drop down fields. If you want to change drop down field, you can change from admin panel. Your administrator should be able to do it. The lead source is also drop down. Sometimes you need to select the master record. You can select from here or type anything here. The list will tell you. For account name, here you can either type it or select it from here. If I press select, the whole next screen will appear. From here, I can select whichever company I want to. This is how you create a record. The complete layout of this is controlled and managed by your administrator. Don't worry at all about it. Your administrator can change everything. The next important point, where will you get the help from? I have told you about one way. Another way is to click here and this will appear. And you can start the chat directly from here. Our team replies typically in a few minutes. If you need to know the SLA, like what is the response time, etc., click here and go to NJ support. If you have done the course properly, you have watched the video properly, your administrator and boss have also attended the course, most probably you will not need the support. The next topic is CRM UI walkthrough for mobile. Stay connected. See you soon in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this.